Here's how to share games on Steam. So first make sure your main Steam account is open and you're logged in, and then make sure any member of the family is on your friends list before you can invite them. And then go to Steam, top left here, and then click settings, then go to family, and then click on uh, create or join a family button here. It's going to be a blue button. Then it will ask you whether you want to join or create a family. You can create a family and give it a name, and then it will look like this here. Then click on manage your Steam family, and then click on invite a member. Click search friend list and select the member you want to invite, and then click on invite as an adult if you want it as an adult or as a child, and then click invite. You'll see invite pending here. Now you should go to the other account you've invited or tell your friend to confirm the invitation. So if you go to the other account like this, you can go to Steam settings and then family again, then create or join a family. Then you will see one invite pending here. Click on join a family, and then click on accept, then confirm, and it will send you an email to confirm the family join. Go to your email address linked to that Steam, then you'll see the email here. Click on it, and then click join family. And that's it. Now you're a member of the family. You can see the library of games you can share here. Also see any requests coming from the family here. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.